Do you remember when we were kids, we were told every time to drink the milk, whether it was a morning or night, milk was a necessity. So, I will tell you why you should drink the milk, what are the benefits of the milk, everything about milk. My name is Raghvin and welcome back to my channel. According to Ayurveda scriptures, milk is a unique food which have all the nutrients which are needed for the body, or it can be also called as a complete meal. Normally there are two types of milk, cow milk and buffalo milk. Because buffalo milk is full of fats, it makes you lazy and it is hard for your body to digest it. So keep this buffalo milk aside. We will talk about cow milk, which is the most popular milk which people drink. Now the cow milk are of two types, A1 cow milk and A2 cow milk. There are two types of categories to it. A1 cow milk is the milk which is produced from the cows which are foreign breeds like Jersey, Holstein, Red Dane, while A2 milk which is obtained from Indian cow breeds like Gir, Sahiwal, Kankrej, etc. There are many more cows. And because A1 milk is not better than A2 milk, that's why there is a wave in America to go for veganism. That's why Americans are importing this A2 breed of cows, which is Indian cows, to America so that they can drink this quality milk, this Indian quality milk, which is A2 milk, which is much more better than A1 quality of milk. So we should opt for Gir, Sahiwal, Kankrej and these Indian cow breeds. Now most of the dairy companies in India sell A1 quality of milk. Because A1 quality of milk is of foreign breeds, they produce 15 to 20 liters of milk per day per cow. While in A2 quality of milk, which are Indian breeds, they only produce 5 to 10 liters of milk per day. So A1 quality of milk is much more economical for them. They are earning more because of A1 quality of milk. But A2 quality of milk is much more beneficial in comparison to A1 quality. So we should opt for A2 quality of milk, which can be available in your locality, in your neighbor farm. Now, how much milk you should drink? 1 or 2 glasses of milk is enough for your body. It is a complete meal in itself. That's why it is hard for a body to digest it. That's why 1 to 2 glasses are enough for a day. But in case if you do heavy workouts, if you are an athlete, then you should go for more. How you should drink the milk? Most of the people drink chilled milk, which is not recommended. You have to drink hot milk or at least lukewarm milk, which is good for your body. And you don't have to add sugar into it. Don't add sugar in it at all because it is naturally sweet. Naturally, sweetness are there in milk, so you don't have to add it. But if you have habit to add it, then please change it gradually because it is harming your body. And you can add some fruits like papaya, mango or banana to make some smoothies. But because it is a heavy meal, it is hard for the body to digest. That's why these are also not recommended. But you can drink it once or twice a week. Now, what not to do with the milk? You don't have to drink milk with a meal in between the meals. It is not preferred to drink milk between the meals. The other thing is, you don't have to drink a chilled milk. You have to drink warm milk or hot milk. Now the last thing is, don't drink it with salt products. The things which has salt in it, like namkeen, biscuits and some cookies. Don't mix it with these salt products because it may lead you to skin problems. When you should drink the milk? The best time to drink the milk is in nights because we all sleep at night for 8 to 10 hours. Because milk has a protein called casein in it, which takes few hours to get digested. So that's why nights are preferred. And the other reason is because it relaxes your organs of the body and especially the mind, because your mind wants to relax. It has worked for 16 hours, but now it wants to relax for 8 hours. That's why milk is preferred. Milk completely shuts down your mind so that you can perform at your optimum the next day. That's why nights are preferred the best. Now, what are the benefits of drinking milk? There are multiple of benefits like these. So, you should drink milk. At least 1 glass of milk must be in your diet. You have to drink 1 glass of milk before sleeping. You can add a pinch of turmeric in it. Turmeric makes milk more beneficial.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Yes, turmeric milk, which is the golden milk of India. Soon I will make a video on it. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind.